Hello and welcome. This is the Gshock GA-2100 and I'm going to show you how to adjust your daylight saving time mode or turn it on or off. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. And there was the beep. Our home city is displayed over here. Next step, press the mode button once. And now you're in the position of switching your daylight saving time mode on or off. It's done by pressing the light or start button. One of those two buttons will shuffle it on or off. Once you set your daylight saving time mode the way you want it, press the adjust button. The watch goes back to the standard timekeeping mode, and if your daylight saving time mode is turned on, there will be a dot just besides this DST marking on the watch subdial. If the hands are not correctly aligned to your digital time, there's also a video on my channel on how to properly align them. But for the DST setting, that will be all. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.